treasures.
Okay, what do we want to find in our treasures? I want the deluxe, one-third of a pound of meat.
I want the 1 pound. I want the 1 pound.
What about the salted sandwich? All right. So let's see. Let's look at our coordinates. So the squiggly lines are us retards, and the star is us being special.
How do you know what we had?
So the star is where the treasure is. Let's go look for the treasure. Let's go. Go. I don't know where to go. Let's go down. Wait a minute. What about his own?
We're going the wrong way. It says we have to go that way.
I'm on fire! Stop, drop, and roll! I'm on fire! Fire!
No. Another one in.
Action. Alright, I'm no longer on fire. I'm ready to roll. I said rockin'. How do you roll? I don't know. Let's go in this thing again. Oh, crap. Not again. Not again. Not again. Not again. Not again. Alright. Wait, you said the treasure's over there. Let's just get back that way. That's what you... Okay. Hey, what are you doing, stupid? Treasure over there! Come on, you want your ball tip sandwich?
No, I tried to. I got like a darling.
I would jump over you!
I'm dead.
I'm going out of control! Bad news! It's under the tree! Dang. Let's try and move it! I love you! Ow! Splinter! Here, let me try. Let me try to get this one. Oh, let me try it this way. Ow! I just got shot.
Wait, maybe we can make holes in it with the glass. fun and it'll fall easier.
How about we shoot ourselves?
Okay. I shoot you, you shoot me.
Okay. I can't shoot you because I'm dead. I can't shoot him, I'm dead.
Ooh, a gnat.
I thought about that one.
You have to get past me to that treasure.
That's interesting.
You're retarded. I didn't even ask you for the password. Oh. It's Justin Bieber. Okay. Paparazzi says Justin Bieber's right there. He's not there. Hey! What's the password? I'll give you an action move. A map that says it's a treasure? Oh, deal! Hey! Looks like you have the treasure now.
Don't look. Don't.